Looking for a comforting, traditional dessert that's simple to make and big on flavor? This old-fashioned bread and butter pudding is a timeless classic made with just a few pantry staples: bread, milk, eggs, sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla. Butter 3 slices of bread on both sides, cut up into cubes and place in a medium-sized, greased baking dish. You will need 2 glasses of milk, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add the eggs into the jug, followed by the vanilla essence and cinnamon powder. Mix well until it is well combined. Pour the mixture over the bread. Mix until the bread is covered with the egg mixture. Press the bread down to ensure that it has absorbed the egg mixture. Sprinkle a little extra cinnamon powder over the bread pudding. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for approximately 45 minutes. Test the pudding with a skewer to ensure it has baked completely. I hope you try out this recipe. Thank you for watching.